What is context editing? It is a server-side feature on the Claude platform that automatically clears stale tool results from the context window so long-running agents do not run out of room. In the next few minutes, we will see the problem it solves, how it works, and how to use it. Let us get started. We begin with why long agent runs break down, and what context editing changes about that. For ideas, anchor how context editing works. Every model has a fixed context window, and a long agent run steadily fills it with tool calls and results. Tool results are usually the heaviest content in an agent's history, and most of it goes stale quickly. Context editing runs on Anthropic servers, pruning old tool results automatically as the window fills. The memory tool complements editing by letting the agent write durable notes to a file store outside the context. Context editing follows a simple loop that runs on every request. As the agent works, every tool call and its result is appended to the growing conversation history. The platform continuously tracks token usage against a configurable threshold you set for the run. When usage crosses that threshold, the clearing strategy activates automatically, with no extra code from you. The oldest tool results are cleared first, since they are least likely to matter to the current step. The most recent results are preserved, so the agent keeps the working context it actually needs to continue. Context editing ships with distinct strategies you enable through a beta header. The clear tool uses strategy drops old tool call and result pairs, which are usually the largest stale items in the history. The clear thinking strategy removes extended thinking blocks from earlier turns once they are no longer needed. You configure how many recent results to keep, protecting the working set the agent is actively reasoning over. A token threshold controls when clearing kicks in, letting you balance token cost against conversational continuity. It helps to contrast context editing with simply cutting off old messages. Naive truncation blindly chops old turns, risking loss of goals or instructions, and you own all of that fragile logic. Context editing instead targets stale tool results, runs automatically on the server, and pairs with memory so nothing important is truly lost. Teams getting the most from context editing follow a few consistent practices. We turn context editing on through the Context Management Beta header on the Claude Developer Platform, BD-Rock, or Vertex. Pairing editing with the memory tool lets the agent persist key facts to a file store before old results are cleared. We tune the threshold and the number of recent results kept, trading token savings against how much history the agent retains. Because clearing rewrites the context, it invalidates prompt cache from that point, so we watch cache hits when tuning. Let us recap what makes context editing useful. It automatically clears stale tool results and thinking blocks on the server as the context window fills up. In a 100-turn web search evaluation, it let agents complete workflows that would otherwise fail from context exhaustion. Anthropic reports a 29% gain alone, 39% with memory, and an 84% cut in tokens on that evaluation. Combined with the memory tool, editing frees the window while persistent notes keep the knowledge the agent still needs. That is context editing in a nutshell. If you found this useful, subscribe for more explainers. For more information, visit standardid.com. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in the next explainer. Clear the stale, keep what matters.